Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an agent on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fedex Careers website. Now, once you scroll down from this page, you will find various different ways by which you can become a Fedex agent. Just choose your desired area of employment through which you want to join, and then you can proceed forward with the application button. You will now find the search option, which allows you to search for the appropriate agent job that you prefer to apply for. Once you see all of the listings that are available, click on the view job option for the one that you are interested in. You will now find the apply button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will find the apply button as well. Click on the apply option, and now you will be asked to log in to your relevant account. If you don't have an account already, you can click on the new user option or apply as guest as well. After proceeding forward with creating your account and logging in, you will be allowed to fill up the application form. Once you fill up and submit the application form, you will simply need to wait for the response from the Fedex team. Once you receive your response within your mentioned email address, you will be able to follow the steps mentioned within in order to apply for your agent position. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to become an agent on Fedex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.